Hello. Hi, how are you?
Hi, sir. I'm fine. Thank you.
Please have a seat. Thank you.
Yeah.
Uh, my name is Pranjal Dubey, and I will be conducting your speaking session. May I please know your name?
Yes, my name is Raj Lakshmi Harshe, and you can address me by my first name, Raj Lakshmi.
Absolutely, Raj Lakshmi. And can you please tell me where are you from?
I'm from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. The city is situated on the banks of Panchaganga River.
Right. So in this section one, this is going to be an introduction one. Okay. The rapport building round, the questions will be revolving around you. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Shall we begin?
Yes, sir.
Great. So tell me something about your hometown and what you like the most about your hometown.
My hometown is situated on the banks of Panchaganga River, as I told you earlier. Apart from that, there are many tourist attractions such as Chalni Palace and Ramkala. Ramkala is also known as Queen's Necklace. There's a lake, and around the lake, there's a walking track where many people come for a walk in the evening as well as in the morning.
Amazing. What kind of people's activity happen over there in your city apart from walking around the lakes?
There are also many children park around the lake. Apart from that, there are food stalls, street food stalls, I would say. There are horse riding and also some fun fair activities.
Amazing, amazing. So is this a famous place for tourists as well?
Yes, it is indeed a
Your
famous
hometown.
place. Yeah, it is. Basically, the name Kolhapur is given because of the goddess Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmi temple is one of the famous temples over here in my hometown.
Right, great. So has your hometown changed much in the recent years?
Yes, definitely. Has changed a lot, I would say, because before 5 to 6 years, there were no ID parks, but nowadays the city is developing and many ID parks are also coming in the city.
Great, great. So come on, let's talk something related to free time. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
So, right. So do you have a lot of free time these days?
Well, to be frank, I'm a multitasking person, so I usually get free time during weekends only, mostly on Sundays.
Right, great. So have your leisure activities changed since childhood? And
Definitely, yes. My leisure activities has been changed from since childhood because when I was a child, I used to spend most of the time with my family and my society friends. But now, as I'm a grown-up child, I like my leisure activity or my hobby is dancing. I'm a professional Kathak dancer. Apart from that, now I can ride two-wheeler and four-wheeler. So I, along with my friends, also visit nearby places.
great, amazing, amazing. All right. So that was a good one. Really good. Let's talk something related to colors. What is your favorite color, Raj Lakshmi?
My favorite color is white because white is the symbol of peace. And whenever I wear the white clothes, I feel something, a positive energy in me. Yes, I would love to paint my house in white color because,
Great,
yeah,
great, great. You're saying something
because we can like do any wall painting or something which can really be suitable on a white colored wall.
beautiful. Great. All right, so let us now switch to task number two. In task number two, I will be providing you with a cue card where you will get 1 minute to prepare for it and 2 minutes to speak. You will get 1 to 2 minutes to speak. Do not hesitate if I stop you. Okay, when the time is up, I will stop you. Okay, great, perfect. So this is your topic. You will have 1 minute and your time starts now.
Okay.
All right, Raj Lakshmi, you may begin.
Yeah, okay. There are a lot of articles I have came across, but I would like to speak on a particular article which I read, that is of health. So in my hometown, like there are many obese people, I would say, and like I came to know about this on Instagram. There is a fitness hub in my city. It's named Zumba classes for all, like for all the age groups. So I just went through that news on Instagram, and it was like really attractive. The poster was really attractive. The letter I called, the number mentioned in the poster, there it was written, and there it was written that if you enroll for today, you will get a batch free. So I enrolled for that batch. Apart from that, the class was really enthusiastic, I would say. There was a great music playing in the background, which was of rock and pop music, and the fitness trainer, which was actually my friend's mama only. So yeah, we enjoyed a lot. And like I went for the first week, my body was aching, but like it was my 1 month course, I would say, or 1 month class. So for the first week I was able to do everything, but my body was aching. But from the next week when I went, it was like really relaxing. My mind was also freshen up, and apart from that, the muscles which were tightened, they were also loosened up. So yeah, it was actually a good activity. There the other things in that fitness activity which was for the health, like there were some balls or also the rings which we used for our daily on a daily basis. Apart from that, there was also 1 hour for the
Thank you.
relaxation and warm up. Okay.
Thank you, Raj Lakshmi.
Yeah.
Lovely, lovely. So that was the end of section 2. Now I will be asking some questions for section 3, which are related to the generic portion. That is, it will be counting something related to task 2. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
Perfect, perfect. So tell me, Raj, do you think people are healthier now than they were in the past?
To be frank, it's not like that. People are actually obese. That now that means they are not that much healthy, because the trend is moving from home cooked food to outside food. That is, many youngsters or even some of the old aged people, we can say, they tend to eat junk food more than the home cooked and healthy food.
Very good, very good. So what activities can a school organize to keep children fit?
Activities such as running. Apart from that, there can be many sports such as cricket, football, hockey, basketball. Hockey is one of our national games, so I think schools should provide with these sports.
Right. So what can government do to improve people's health? I'm sorry.
Government should organize some of the programs like fitness programs, which should be totally free of cost, because some of the people in our country are not that much, like are they can't afford that much amount to spend on such fitness activities. So according to me, there should be some of the other programs. Apart from that, one like each city should conduct a weekend workshop on the fitness activities, so that the people can get literate and can get to know what are the benefits of being fit and healthy.
Very good. So what do old people in your country do to keep themselves fit?
Most of the people, that is old people in my country, go for a walk to keep themselves fit, either in the morning or in the evening. Apart from that, the young ladies or the young apart from that, old ladies or old men, they also have some clubs like laughing clubs or anything we can say, which can burst their stress, as well as the mind of those people can get healthy, remain fit.
Great. Thank you very much, Raj Lakshmi. That will be the end of your speaking session. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So yeah, so that was Raj Lakshmi doing her speaking session at LeapScholar. So basically, let me divide how this speaking session works. It is judged under the 4 criteria: your fluency and coherence, lexical resources, grammatical range and accuracy, and your pronunciation. They all have the weightage of 25% each, right? So let us try to give scores to Raj Lakshmi based on these criteria. So no doubt, no wonder she is having a great range of fluency and the ideas are coherent, but she is getting, a little bit dicey when it comes to the pronunciation. For example, definitely, it's definitely, right? It has to be absolutely perfect. I'm not saying you to, get pseudo British or anything. No, not at all. But this is a portion where you should be actually sounding like giving the right word. I mean, it is sugar, right? So it cannot be sugar in any sense. Apart from that, the MTI, mother tongue influence, that should not be bothering the pronunciation. Am I clear with that? Great. So yes, there are few issues with her pronunciation. So I will be reducing a little marks over there. And lexical resources, major portions of lexical resources she is missing. For example, all her vocabulary is very common. I'm not saying that you should be using high-end vocabulary that, even the examiner or the quiz master has to take out the Oxford Dictionary to check for it. No, but they should have at least some uncommon words. For example, when she was using the word attractive, it could be eye-catching, right? Enrolled, it was repeated many times, so that is cancerous, guys. Okay, you should not be doing repetition of the words, not at all allowed. Okay, apart from that, different musics. I like different music, so that's the wrong word. You use genre for music. Okay, different, various genres, not even different, various genres of music. Okay, which keeps me elated. Getting the idea for happiness? Okay. And example, good for food and providing all. Apart from that, there is one more thing she was asking about. Government should do this, government. So I believe we should look at the scenario around us. There are things available. The only thing which is not there is the motivation of human being to participate in these kind of things. So that was so in some cases lack of the knowledge which is to be filled in while giving the answer. So yes, that is my review, and I guess and I wish her all the very best. As far as my calculation goes, she will be lying somewhere around 6.5 to 7 band, mostly towards the 6.5 side. So yeah, that is my review for her. Thank you. And guys, we welcome you at LeapScholar for a perfect 100% score from your end. Thank you very much. This is Pranjal Dubey signing off from LeapScholar. Bye-bye.